Hey beautiful souls, welcome back to my channel. If you're ready to elevate your self-care game and find some inner peace, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing 3 transformative self-care techniques that will have you feeling rejuvenated and ready to take on the world. Segment 1, Mindfulness Meditation. First up, we're diving into mindfulness meditation. Now, I know what you're thinking, but I can't meditate. Well, let me tell you, it's easier than you think. Here's how to get started in just 5 minutes. Step 1. Find a quiet, comfy spot where you won't be disturbed. This could be your cozy corner, a park, or even your bed. Step 2. Set a timer for 5 minutes. Trust me, it'll feel longer than it is. Step 3. Close your eyes, take a deep breath in, and slowly exhale. Focus on your breath. If your mind wanders, gently bring it back. That's it. You're meditating. Easy, right? Let me know in the comments how it goes. Segment 2. Creating a self-care routine. Now let's talk about creating a self-care routine that fits your lifestyle. The key is consistency. Here's how to design one that's personalized just for you. Step 1. Assess what areas of your life need some love. Is it stress relief, physical health, or maybe more social time? Step 2. Schedule self-care into your week. Whether it's a bubble bath on Wednesdays or a Sunday yoga session, make it non-negotiable. Step 3. Keep it fun. Try new activities like painting, hiking, or even cooking new recipes. Self-care should never feel like a chore. Let's make self-care a delightful part of our lives. Segment 3. Easy healthy recipes. And finally, let's whip up some easy healthy recipes. I've got a super simple and delicious smoothie bowl that's perfect for breakfast or a snack. Here's what you'll need: 1 banana, a handful of spinach, a cup of almond milk, and your favorite toppings like granola and berries. Blend the banana, spinach, and almond milk until smooth. Pour it into a bowl, add your toppings, and voila! A vibrant, healthy treat in just 5 minutes. Look at this gorgeous smoothie bowl. It's not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients. Yum! And that's it for today, beautiful souls. Remember, self-care isn't selfish, it's essential. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and share your self-care routine in the comments below. Until next time, stay kind to yourself and keep shining.